How to edit PDF in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just upload your PDF file first. So just click on upload here at the left and then click on upload files. From there you just need to select your PDF. So I'm going to select mine, double click on it and then wait for it to upload. From there you just need to click on it. Okay, and there you go. So from here you can already edit your PDF file. So instead of elementary school, let's say I want to change it to high school. So you can see, change it to this one and then our dear students. So let's just say hi students. So you can see you can already edit your file like this. So you can just make your changes and then just click on share, download, and then you can download your PDF file. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.